Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 42 from the basic parts, and this will be a form of a pie. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now next on our list will be P42 or part 42. And like I said, this one you can use or show, so the shape is kind of referred to normally as a form of pi, where you can set the degrees amount. And so now in order to add this, we want to go to flat parts on top here on our main toolbar, primary toolbar, and then we want to go to P42. So I'll just zoom in here for you guys. So over there you can see we've got an A and a U. So now I'll open the pod and then we can have a better look here. So now obviously the A is going to set the width and in many ways the height, depending on where it gets. And then the U will be setting basically the form of degrees. So if we had to go here, let's say we make the A about 200. And then we go about 45 degrees and then say okay, and we can see we've got a nice 45-degree angle here. Now you can obviously change this to whatever you want. Maybe I'll go to 90 degrees, say okay, and now we've got a nice 90-degree angle. So yeah, that is the part 42. I'm just going to add one here for us so we have it as a reference and the part, and then we can see over there we've got a nice little pie shape, you can say, semicircle, a hexagon. Got here the rectangle or square, depending on the measurements, circle, and a semicircle. And once again, so just a quick recap on the pie. So we've got two measurements, and the one sets the A or the width in many ways, the height as well, depending on your amount of degrees, so the circumference. And then we've got the U for the degrees. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.